Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are encountering the your payment is pending error on Netflix, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So first, make sure your payment method is up to date and has sufficient funds. Go to your account settings in Netflix and verify your payment information. Now if your payment method seems fine, contact your bank or card issuer to check if there are any holds or restrictions on your account that might be preventing the payment from going through. After that, if the issue still persists, try using a different payment method. You can add a new card or use PayPal to see if that resolves the problem. As a last resort, you can cancel your current Netflix subscription and start a new one. This will just reset the payment process and may clear up any pending issues. And that is how you fix the your payment is pending problem on Netflix. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.